Most of you already know how to create AI videos like this using Seedance 2.0, but how to use it completely free and without limits? That's something no one really tells you. Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Seedance 2.0 for free and make amazing videos without spending a single penny. It might sound a bit strange. You might even be thinking, is this really possible? But wait, this is a completely free method. And the best part? It's not just Seedance. You can also use tools like Kling, Sora, and many more as you can see in the list. And don't worry, I'll also show you some live proof so you can see for yourself and trust the process. To use Seedance 2.0, you first need to visit this website. You'll find the link in the description box, so make sure to check it out. Now, click on the login option. You'll find it in the top corner of the screen. Once you log in, you'll see a dashboard like this. And right here, you'll also get an invitation redeem code. If you scroll down, you'll see a lot of videos here, and every single one of them is created using AI. When you log in for the first time, you'll get 70 tokens for free. And every day, you'll also receive 20 free tokens. These tokens will help you create AI videos completely for free. Click on New Project, and you'll see 3 options: Agent, Team Agent, Canva, and Workflow. To create our video, we're going to use the Workflow option. As soon as you click on Workflow, you'll get a complete breakdown of how the system works. And here you get powerful tools like text-to-video, image-to-video, video script generator, image editor, video generator, and many more exciting options. And now comes the most exciting part. When you click here, you'll see a huge list of AI video generators. And the best part is, you can use all of them for free if you follow my video step by step. The first website is called Robo AI. To use Seedance, you'll need to create multiple Google or email accounts. You can also use a temp mail website for this. Just copy the email address you get, paste it during sign-up, and verify your account. Each new mail account gives you around 50 tokens. After your first login, copy the redeem code. Then log in to another account using a different Gmail account. Now go to Redeem Invitation Code, paste the copied code, and confirm. This will add 50 extra credits to both accounts, making it 120 credits each. You can also use temp mail in incognito mode, or invite more users to get extra tokens daily. Now let's create a video using Seedance 2.0 in RoboNeo. Now click on New Project and select the Workflow option. Then tap on the plus icon, and from there choose the video option. Below, you'll see more options, but we're going to skip them for now to keep the video short and simple. Below here, you'll see text-to-video and image-to-video options. We're going to choose the image-to-video option. Here, you can adjust the video ratio, duration, and quality. I'm not changing anything because the default settings look just fine. Now click the plus icon and upload the image you want to use for the video. Then, in the text box, add your video prompt or description. Now click on Run, and within a few seconds your video will be generated. This time, we will use multiple images to create a video using Seedance 2.0. First, upload your character image. Then click the plus icon again and select the image option. Now upload your second image. After that, choose the indicator tool and connect both images with Seedance 2.0. Next, add your video text prompt. Here, you can customize everything if you want any modifications, as I already mentioned earlier. You can also add audio if you want, depending on your personal choice. I'm keeping it on auto mode. Finally, click on Run. Now let's play the video. Try it out and check the description for the links. Also, let me know in the comments how your videos turn out.